This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi, Spiker 4440 here. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Yeah.
Alright, so how did you guys like that intro? If you would like for us to showcase your channel, just make an intro and send it to us, and we will post it on before our video, and you can get all the information of what you need to know in the description below. So today we have a 2005 Volkswagen Beetle, and what we're going to be doing is changing the power window switch on the driver's side door. Alright, so we're going to get everything we need, and then when we come back we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, here we have the switch. Okay, now in this case the switch is kind of loose, but if yours is in nice and tight, you're just going to need a flat screwdriver. You just put it in underneath and pop it.
Hold on here, I ain't got it.
What's wrong with you?
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, so you would just put the screwdriver underneath and just pop it gently. Alright, in this case it's loose, so we could just pop it like that. Then you're going to bring it down, okay, and pop it out. Now you have your plugs right here. Let me put this stuff down. Alright, pay attention to the way the plugs are, because this plug is going to be for your driver's side window, and this plug is going to be for your passenger side window. So if you put them back in crossways, you're gonna mess yourself all up. You're gonna be trying to roll down the driver's side window and roll down the passenger side window. So in this case there's two different colors, so just pay attention to where they're set. The way you pop it out, you got that little clip right there.
Hey, hold on, let me go to the bathroom. I mean not bathroom, let me change the battery in the camera because it's going dead. I can't help it. What the heck? I got to change the battery. I'll be right back.
Are you done going to the bathroom / getting a battery?
It was a battery.
Okay.
I had to get a battery. I had to go to the bathroom.
So anywho, you see the little clip right there? So what you're going to do is you're going to push that clip and then pull it up at the same time. So if you could grab it, push it and up. Okay, so once you take this plug out, you'll see the clip for the next one. So you're going to do the same thing. Push it and up. Again, remember how those plugs went. Alright?
Right. I mean, shouldn't they have made one plug different than the other?
No, they're both exactly the same. If you look at the prongs on your switch, you can see that they're both exactly the same.
I am not a good cameraman.
Obviously. So then we get our new switch. Alright, here's our new switch. Now how did we know this one was bad? We didn't have to test anything. The switch is broken. See? You see that? The switch is broken, so she needs a new switch. Okay?
Yeah, because people will ask, how'd you know the switch
how'd you know you need a new switch? So now we're going to take the black one first, plug it up. Not the glove, just the plug. Okay? Just push it in. Then you take the brown one, put it in straight.
Need some help?
Got it. Push it in. Okay? So now we're going to put this in, put it in like that. Bring it upwards so it hooks up to the door. Okay? We got that? If you can. It's tough. And then push it. Push it in with some muscles.
Let me do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. I don't know why I gotta do your job.
I think this is your job.
Alright, let's see, we gotta make sure that thing
Make sure it goes all the way up.
Yeah, that's gonna be very important, guys. You gotta make sure that thing is up there.
There you go.
And then snap into place. There we
right.
go.
Try it out.
Alright. Wait a minute, hold on. Where's the key? Dang, where's the key at? Okay, I got it. Alright, here we go. Let's put the key in the on position, try it out. There we go, first one.
Looks good.
Other one over there.
It's a motor.
That one's kind of. There you go. And I can push it all the way down, automatic. Why am I showing them this?
Okay, so that's it.
Well, why was I showing them this?
Quiet. Okay, so turn that radio off before we get copyright infringement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're messing with my money. Okay, so then that's it. You're done.
You are?
Yeah, that's it. It's just easy peasy. Put it in your pocket.
Okay. Here we go. There's our old one. All right.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right.
And you gonna say we'll be right back?
All right, we'll be right back.
All right, guys and girls, there you have it. How to change the driver's side window switch on a 2005 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, pushing that clip back in is very difficult, so don't be scared. Push it back in. If you break it, looks like you're gonna be buying a new one. Anyway, you have any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astralautorepairs.com. Some of you tell me to do a different opening, but nope, I like hers better. Huh?
Closing.
Yeah, closing. Hope you paid attention.
No,
If not,
do your own.
I don't have another one yet. I don't have my own.
something
Oh man, what am I gonna make here? All right, let's see. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch
Hey,
it. Okay.
I said do your own.
Okay. Well, give me time to think about one.
Say your line.
I forgot, man. I haven't did a closing in so long.
Just say your line. What's your line? What is your...
Oh, don't even say that no more. But we'll say if they ain't paying attention.
So y'all gonna edit that, right?
Nope, we ain't gonna edit nothing. This is gonna be it's gonna be just like you see it.
The customer asked, are you going to edit that? No, what is your line? What is the one thing you always say?
All right, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repair.
No.
What?
Are you kidding me? I am sure that right now everybody who's watching this is yelling it out.
You know, now I know exactly how my helpers be feeling when I be
When
grilling
you
up.
harass them?
Heck yes. Like,
I know every
what?
single person right now is yelling it out. Tim,
What?
what is it that you always say?
Well, can you dig it at the beginning?
There you go.
No, I don't say that at the end.
It doesn't matter. You don't do the ending. So since you
But I
didn't
ain't
do
gonna
the
say-
opening, say it in the ending.
Somebody,
Next.
somebody, give me
Come
an
on.
aspirin.
Aspirin. I'll give you an aspirin.
Anyway, all right, check it out. I hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again.
Come on.
This is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.
Lame.